Hello, in this video we shall be considering some questions from SSE and UTME. Question 1 is from WAEC 2018 and it says, which of the following is not a revenue of a political party? A. Dues, B. Grants, C. Tolls, and D. Donations. Now the correct answer is C. Tolls. A political party don't get their cash flow through tolls. Tolls is what local government or state government, how they get their money, but a political party cannot take tolls. It is unconstitutional. Question 2 from WAEC 2016 says, a political party can contest and win a widely acceptable election by A. Ability to rig elections, B. Intolerance of opposition, C. Having a broad-based membership, and D. Having the support of wealthy politicians. The correct answer is C. Having a broad-based membership. By having a broad-based membership, they are able to appeal to the populace or the population to vote for them, and they make their political party, they make their party closer to the electorate. Question 3. Political parties aim at all the following except A. Contesting elections, B. Forming a government, C. Conducting general elections, and D. Educating the electorate properly. Now the correct answer is C. Conducting general elections. Now this is not the job of a political party. All the other options are functions of a political party except for option C, which is conducting general elections. Question 4. A political party reaches the populace through the following except A. Posters, B. Newspaper, C. Schools, and D. Advertisements. The correct answer is C. Schools. Political parties have no business going to advertise their ambitions because these children cannot even vote in the first place. Question 5 from JAM 2011 says, the type of party system in practice is defined by A. The relationship between the electorate and the political party, B. The structure of the political parties, C. The manner in which the political parties operate, and D. Number of political parties. The correct answer is D. Number of political parties, simply because the definition of political party system is the number of political parties that are allowed to operate in a particular state. That's it for the past question and answer segment. Make sure you check the key points and the advisory to help you with tips on how to handle this topic in the upcoming examinations. Thank you.